I'll show you how to claim reward of EthFi on Binance Launchpool. Right here on your dashboard on Binance, come to this more and navigate to this N and press Launchpad. You find this farming token right here, and until farming end is 2 days. And once you've seen right here that you've got some rewards, and you just need to come over here, press the pool you want to redeem claim the rewards. And right here, this is the reward I've gotten so far in this pool right here. You just need to claim this, press this claim. You see, I've harvest complete, and right here, this is the reward received. And when Binance lists this token, you'll be able to trade this. Binance is going to list this token at the end of this farming period, and if you don't want to stake again, you can redeem all your token right here. Press max or manually input amount of token you want to redeem. I'm going to redeem all and press redeem. Right here, I've redeemed this token and I don't have token in this pool again. I'm going to stake back. I just want to show you guys how to redeem your token after claiming your reward if you don't want to stake again. And that's all you need to know about claiming your rewards on Binance Launchpool. See you on the next video.